going on, everybody? Big Country Customs coming back at you with another video. This one I got immediately after it was recommended by somebody that commented on my last video when it comes to my pool vacuum being trash. I did have surgery yesterday, so I'm a little zoned out, thanks to yours truly, but I'm hurting, so just bear with me. I just want to get this video out there so you guys can see it, and hopefully I can get my dad to help me put it in the pool. But right now we're going to do an unboxing of the ZX300 Intex pool cleaner. Supposedly it climbs walls and has brushes that spin and stuff, so quite a big upgrade. For actually, I believe it was cheaper than the other one when I bought it. It has a sale on Amazon right now. I paid $117 free shipping, so you can't really beat that. I'll link it in the description below for anybody that wants to check it out. And probably here in a month or so, I'll come out with an update video. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep you updated on this cleaner and let you know how it pans out and how it works. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing this puppy. Well, so far she makes a pretty good footrest, so that's a plus. If you have surgery on your foot and you need to prop it up, go ahead and order this box. It's about perfect height. But let's get into this. I'm gonna hide my address. This is the box it comes in, and from something I saw online, is a box within a box. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and show y'all what's inside. All right, let's crack this thing open. It says cut carefully to open, but I'm pretty sure there's another box inside of this. Oh, what do you know? Another box. All right, let me get this out. Oh, okay. Easy way. This is it right here. It's got the brushes, and the wheels actually turn on this one, and I believe the jet exits up top, so it will be able to push itself against the walls and climb up the walls with the wheels. That says cut open carefully, and it says do not open with a knife. But you know how we do it around here. We live life on the edge. I don't know if I can keep doing this. I'm getting lightheaded. All right. So in the box, you got basically the adapter like the other older version has. This one's a little bit longer. And some of it don't really make sense to me. It's kind of weird looking inside. See that? I don't know why it's got that little bit of flow restriction there, maybe to up the pressure for it or something, but you can see it right there, and I don't know what the heck all these holes are for. I guess they're just decorative. All right, and we got no clue what this is. I think it might be a catch basket or something. Same for this, because don't go in there. This, just like the old one, will pop down inside of this right here to catch any sand or debris to keep it from getting into your system. Comes with a bunch of brushes. It looks like the same ones from the other one, so it looks like I'm gonna have a lot of spares. And this tubing and piping looks the same as the other one, which I'm really hoping it is, because apparently this is only 24 foot. My other hose this one is only 21 foot. My other hose is 24 feet, and I have a 24-foot pool, so I'm gonna need to use the other hose. Instructions. Get all this stuff out of here. Brushes out of the way. There's some boxes on the side. I think there are things in these. It looks like the brushes itself. can't get up to go get it, so that's unfortunate. Carefully open these because they have the bristles on them. You don't want to cut any off. Yep, here's one brush. Kind of cool to help stir everything up on the inside. Oh, see, and that's nice. Real long bristles. They're not hard bristles at all, so don't expect it to actually scrub the bottom of your pool. You can see how they just literally collapse on my fingers. So don't expect it to scrub, just expect it to stir up, okay? Go ahead and get this one open. Another brush. Like I said, I'm a wood shop YouTube channel, so if you want to see some wood projects, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. And like this video if you like the video. Alright, so here's the unit itself. It's actually, I think, heavier than the other one. So we'll see if we can, you can already tell it doesn't want to roll without it moving. And you can see the gear in there turning. But we gotta figure this out because, let's see here. Because let me just get to the instructions here. I don't want to tear anything up, especially on medication. Okay. This operates, by the way, from the outside, not the pool inside, not the suction side, but the outlet, the part that blows into the pool. Okay, so 14 is a strainer grid. So yes, these are strainer grids. These are, I gotta figure out where they go though. Okay. I see what these go to. So if you have your normal Intex pool, I won't even be using these because I have a Hayward skimmer. These actually go on to the where it pulls water in if you don't have a skimmer. I guess to increase the water flow to the pump, which is kind of cool. But I won't be using those. So anyways, it looks very simple. I'm gonna snap these brushes in here. Know how easy they go in. Somehow they gotta. Looks like they might. Oh, cool. It's spring loaded. So check this out, guys. Your brush, it's actually pretty neat. Put it on one side, pull it backwards, and it pops into place like that. Pretty neat design. Alright. Let's go ahead and get some of these bad boys in there. These pop in a lot better than the other vacuum did. Trust me on that. The other vacuum didn't pop in like that and they would come off. Okay. And here's an unlock switch here, which looks like it might be to release. It might be just to take it apart. So I'm gonna do unlock, and I'm gonna see if this, yeah, and then this pulls right out. So that's neat. This is where all your trash and debris will be. Super easy change. A lot more complicated gear mechanism in there than the other one. I hope this doesn't go to crap like my other one did, but it looks promising. Put it back in there. Hit it with the lock. Oh, she ain't coming out. All right. Well, that does it for the unboxing. I'm gonna see you guys when we throwing it in the pool. All right, so the old hose did indeed work. So we got 24-foot hose now. My wife's gonna drop it in the pool there. Reach down there, honey, and hit that power button on the, pull the flap up on that one over there. No. The flap right there. See the power button under that gray thing?
Yeah.
And then boop. It's kind of stuck on it. Did it fix itself? Well, she's running good, everybody. Like I said, I give y'all a month, 2-month update here. So be sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss it. She's about to climb the wall, but I can't get over there quick to see it. And I want to get you guys some underwater footage as well. Oh, my foot hurts so bad. Oh, wow. Check it out. Well guys, that wraps it up. Me and my hurt foot, we're gonna go in and sit down, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just had to somehow make it, since I just told everybody the other one was trash, and it is. But I'm glad I got this. Seems like it's gonna be an awesome addition to my pool. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Stay tuned for the update in a month or two. And I'm gonna go get better. All right, Big Country out.